In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to update the IPTC data and use code replacement in Photo Mechanic. These tools are incredibly useful for photographers who need to efficiently manage large batches of images. Updating IPTC data ensures that all metadata is accurate, while code replacement allows you to quickly insert predefined text into your metadata fields.
Step 1. Creating and using code replacement data. First, prepare your code replacement file. Code replacement is a handy feature that lets you use shorthand codes to quickly insert longer or more complex text entries, such as team names, player numbers, or other repetitive data. Create a simple text file, TXT, where each line contains a code followed by a tab and the replacement text. For example, you might write Max for Max Stone or O44 for an offensive player wearing jersey number 44. If you're creating this in Microsoft Excel, be sure to save it as a tab-delimited file. Once your file is ready, open Photo Mechanic. Go to the Edit menu, then select Settings. From there, choose Set Code Replacements. In the window that opens, click the Add button and find the text file you created. Select it and click Open. Your codes are now loaded and ready to use. Click OK to return to your contact sheet. Please note, you will need to reload code replacement anytime you update your file. With your code replacement file set, navigate to the folder where your images are stored. Select the folder that contains the images you want to update. Hover over the first image and click on the eye icon on the bottom left of the thumbnail. This will open the IPTC info screen where you can update the metadata. Scroll down until you find the Person Shown field. This is where you can identify the individuals in the photograph. To enter the person's name, use the code you've set up in code replacement. For example, if you've set up a code for Max Stone as Max, simply type \Max in the Person Shown field. You can navigate through images using the Command N or Command B keys to move to the next or previous image. Once you've entered the code, click OK or Apply to save the changes. The Person Shown IPTC data is now updated with the full name corresponding to the code you entered. You've successfully updated the Person Shown IPTC data using code replacement. Step 2. Applying the IPTC template. Select all the images you want to apply the IPTC template to and press Command-I to open the template. Update each section of the template that you want to be written to the metadata. To dynamically insert data from existing fields, you can use variables in the IPTC template. For example, if you want to include the names of people shown in the image in the Keywords field, you can use the Persons variable. In the Keywords field, simply type persons along with any other keywords you want to include. When you apply the template, Photo Mechanic will automatically replace persons with the names listed in the Person Shown field for each image. For a complete list of available variables, click the Variables button. For example, you can add the capture date into the description field using date variables. It's extremely important to ensure that you do not accidentally overwrite the Person Shown data when applying your IPTC template. Before applying the template, check the box next to the Person Shown field in the IPTC template window and make sure it's unchecked. If it's checked, the Person Shown data in your images will be replaced with whatever is in the template, potentially erasing important information. You can save this template by clicking the Save button, or you can save it as a snapshot by clicking the lightning icon on the bottom left of the window. The Snapshot feature in Photo Mechanic allows you to save and quickly recall different sets of settings or configurations within various panels, such as the IPTC info or the IPTC template. This is particularly useful if you frequently work with different types of metadata or workflows that require unique settings. When you're ready to update the metadata, click the Apply Template to Selected button. Practical applications. This method is incredibly useful in several scenarios. If you're doing event photography, you can quickly tag large numbers of images with accurate participant names using code replacement. For sports photography, it's an efficient way to label players or teams in action shots, using shorthand codes for player numbers or team names. In editorial work, it helps you maintain consistent metadata across multiple images when working on assignments with recurring subjects. That's it for today's tutorial on updating IPTC data and using code replacement in Photo Mechanic.
Thanks for watching this Photo Mechanic tutorial. With these tools, you'll be able to streamline your workflow, saving time and ensuring that your photo collections are always well organized and easily accessible.